I'm going to tell you a little bit about the users menu. From this menu, it is possible to do the following things. Invite users, you can assign groups and roles, and also do further administration. With the Deactivate User action, we can temporarily disable this user from entering the organization. Their pending task and process will be suspended, but will not be deleted. Later, when he/she is re-enabled, he/she will be able to resume all his or her pending task or pending process. The action of deleting users is irreversible. It will not be possible to roll back. If the user has any task or process in progress, we must first reassign it to another user and then we will be able to delete it. We have seen the procedure during this explanation.